El grup número 9 d'aquesta nit es diu Motorway 69. Bé, un aplaudiment ben fort. Què passa? Esteu esperant aviam què fan, oi? Allò, no fem massa soroll. El ball es diu Motorway i la cançó es diu Still in Love with You. Canta Travis Street, quan vulgueu.
Tell me why do you love to make me cry? Is there a reason why you treat me so unkind? It seems you try to hurt me with everything you do. I guess you call me crazy, but I'm still in love with you. Tell me why is your heart as cold as ice? Oh, is there a demon hidden just behind your eyes? Well, I dream someday you'll love me, but that dream just don't come true. But that don't keep me from wishing, 'cause I'm still in love with you. Now you say all that's binding you is me. How can that be? Tell me why do I go on believing your lies? And why every time you hurt me, I'm always so surprised? I know that I should give up, find somebody new. Situation, I'm still in love with you. I'm still in love with you.